We're just gonna start the video like this today. Alright, I got everything already fucking set up. It's late in the day. Well, it's early in the morning. Today is drift event day, as you guys know. So last night, if you guys were following my Instagram, I had to go grab a welder. So I went and grabbed a Flux 125 over at Harbor Freight. It's a little cheapo. Grab the thickest wire. I'm gonna fucking weld the differential today. So that's what we're doing. Today's gonna be a collaboration of just pretty much boosting the whole fucking 2000. So I'm assuming by then I'll know what I'm gonna title this video. But yeah, we'll see how that goes by then. You guys will know as the title will be in this video. This is why you guys are watching it. I'm gonna quit talking. Regardless, we gotta lower the car. We gotta weld the diff. We got the H&R springs. We gotta put on the 255 wall, bro, and upgrade this fucker. I don't have the fucking fuel filter, so the one that I have is still like a 99, which is a different style. It's not compatible. So regardless, we gotta do the crankcase pulley weight, and then we gotta do the boost, the intercooler setup, which is the upgrade, and it's the JDM one. It's like 3 times the size, but we gotta cut out part of the frame. We're probably gonna cut out part of the frame, and then just fucking either weld on just like a makeshift fucking little bracket real quick, or either just shimmy it until we can get to Wild Horse, and then I'll just drill holes or some shit. But regardless, there's so much shit we gotta hurry up and get done before 4 p.m. It is now, I don't know what time, but it's still early in the morning. It's before 10 o'clock. It's like 10:30, so it's gonna be a busy day, guys. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video. We're gonna go ahead and get these off. So to take off the differential, you need to take off 1, 2, and then you need to lift up the front end, which I'm gonna lift up the front end, but you need to turn the axle, the drive shaft, and fucking so that we can get to all these bolts around here, and then disconnect that. 2 bolts up here holding this, 1, 2, and then what else? That's it. And then you can just lower the differential after you lower the bolts that are holding it up, and then it'll just come out, and then the axles will fucking come out itself. But we gotta undo these first before anything. So you gotta drop these. I'm gonna release these and let these drop down on the inner welds right here and right here. I'm gonna let them drop down so that way the springs will release. I can fucking take out these and put it in the H&Rs, which should be easier. It's just decompressing these. So I'm gonna put a jack right here to lower it. I'm gonna keep a jack right here, I'm bolting it, and then I'm gonna just slowly let it down so that way I can just take out the spring. And then from there you just jack up the spring back up here, put in your bolt, make sure it's all tight, blah blah blah. There we go. So now you guys know what I'm doing. I'm gonna hurry up and try to get as much filmed and done as possible before 4 p.m. So let's get it done, guys. Yee! Alright guys, so don't mind the mess, but here is our setup for today. Alright, got everything already laid out. I had to pull everything out real quick. So we got the H&R lowering springs, you got your fronts. I think these are the fronts. Yeah, fronts, and then the sides are the backs. As you can tell, H&R, Quality Performance, blah, 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 so on and so on. So we got that, along with some extra belts. We got, well, I bought an extra spare one. The 99 already has a brand new one. Crankcase pulley weight. You guys are gonna need your 255 Walbro fuel pump. Well, it's not a Walbro. It's an Osiris. Where the hell you pronounce that? Got a backup. We have another 300 inside, but I'm not gonna do that today. We got all our clamps. We got our little rubber housing connections. And then this is the main key. This is the JDM intercooler. This is what I was telling you guys about. This is a big ass upgrade. This is 3 times the size. You obviously got all your stainless steel piping, and then you got your coated piping. So I still have some spares from the last time when I did the 99, because the 99 has black ones, and I want to switch out to some chrome ones, some silver aluminum ones, and then put the black ones on the silver one. I don't know, I just want to change it up on the 99. It's been a while. But anyways, we got to do that real quick. Main reason why I wanted to show you guys all this real quick is I'm trying to show you guys as I go. Okay, so when you come in right here, as you can tell, I already got the spring done. Here's the bolt for the lower control arm. So the lower control arm bolt was right here. all I did was have the jack and bitch. Anyways, so I had it up here. It's connected. You fucking just take, if you have some trouble, just sit here and just finesse it. This may be angled wrong. You have to get it flush straight in order for this bolt to go straight out. So finally got that out. Once you get the bolt out, like that one, the bolt already out, I just gotta lower the side. I'll show you guys an example. All you gotta do is just lower it and the thing comes down, but do it slow. So we're gonna do this side. Get some cardboard to sit on real quick. Okay. So this is for the lower control arms for the H&R springs. If you guys want to do the H&R springs, so as you guys can tell, we're doing fuel pump, we're doing all kinds of shit today. So on this video, you guys need to pay attention. So here we go. We're gonna lower it little by little. I need to put this down real quick. Hold on. You guys good right here? You guys are good right there. Alright. That's good enough. See how it came down quick? So just like that. Just inch by inch. Slowly let it down. And bada boom, bada bang. Your spring is exposed. So the arm can just come down a little, and then with some finessing, just pull the arm down, but just make sure it sits right when you put it in. If you guys do not put this in right, you're gonna fuck everything up. So an example for the indentations for where these sit at, you see that little divot right in there? That has to sit in that divot. Same thing with goes on the top. Those have to sit correctly. So once you have this straight, you'll know how the boot sits up there, because the boot just falls down. But this is what I want to show you guys is, man, that spring almost fell down. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna pull it out real quick. See, so the spring got caught up in here, so I'm twisting it. Ah, you fucking cocksucker. Fucking went right back in. See? Got it. So, gotta take out the backs, but the front, when you put them back in, it should be a lot easier and there shouldn't be so much pressure because, again, those ones that we have in here are longer and these are way fucking shorter. So I'm gonna go ahead and now that we got this all exposed, this is the main thing I needed so that way I can push back this axle in order to pull out the differential. So now that these main components are loose, you can pull out this as long as you disconnect that first. So you gotta disconnect that. I think it's only like 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. I gotta figure out and lift up the front real quick. It's just gonna be weird. I don't do that. I do crank it. I have to go back inside real quick and study video real fast. But anyways, yeah, these bolts were here. There's only 3, I believe, that connect, and then that's it. And then these 2 up here, and then the 2 up here I said that hold it up. The axles and these 2 bolts are the main thing that hold the back, and then the 2 bolts on the sides and these 3 that hold it up to the drive shaft are what hold the differential in place. So that being said, those are what you need to take off. I'm gonna take them off. I'll show you as soon as I'm done. Alright, so before I go inside to do some research real quick on something, I just want to show you the difference in the rears. That's how much is gone from the rears. It's not bad. See, that's yeah, that's not bad. Huh. So, alright, there you go. There's that difference for the rears. Alright guys, so we got the diff lower. So I did have to go to the store and go buy some more fucking tools. Yeah. You guys are gonna need these. Duralast 4-piece triple square bit set. And the difference between the ones that I was using and the ones that come in here, they're only like a 6-star, 5-star. Now, the ones that we are using, because I almost stripped a fucking bolt learning the hard way. Yeah, you see how many splines there are compared to the other one? Alright, there we go. Alright, so you see how that one has splines, and then this one has like a couple. Yeah, alright, so here's your problem. Make sure you grab those. Those ones are going to be for here. The 6-star get away with taking up here on the top, but I wouldn't recommend it. Just make sure you grab the ones that go here, because those are the ones that need to go here. And then as soon as you're done, you're gonna go and take a, I don't have that size. Oh shit. That's the whole drain the fluid out. So I gotta drain it real quick, mark how much came out, so I can put how much goes back in. And then I'm gonna open this face, and then I'm gonna go inside it real quick, practice welding a little piece of strip, and then I'm gonna come out here, and then we're gonna weld the inside of this. So, yeah, buddy. Hey guys, so I'm running out of fucking time. We got cousin here, cousin stopped by. Alright, so as you guys can tell, I already got the inside welded up. It's not the best weld, it looks like shit. I still gotta clean it up, I still got wire hanging out because I'm still learning. So I'm trying to full send it and say fuck it. So I put it on a high temp. I'm trying to do as much as I can. I got the back differential fucking on bolts, so that way I can just fucking twist it if I need to. But as you can tell, I did this side, I did the other side already. I just need to make sure that this side is secure, and then double check the other side, and then we're done. And then close it up, put oil in it, smack it back up, put the pipe back up, and then we need to do the fuel pump real quick, which doesn't take long because it's just 2 bolts. Undo those, crimp off the hoses from the gas, put the pump in, plug and play. And then after that, we gotta go move on to the last thing, which is the crankcase pulley weight, which is easy. It's just a put on, and the intercooler. The intercooler is the only thing that we gotta worry about, is because we gotta make a quick little bracket, which is not gonna take long. It's just 2 weld tacks on each side, and then I'm gonna drill a hole, 2 holes right in the middle, and then just use that as a frame, a quick frame for the intercooler, and then we're going straight to the drift track. But all right guys, I gotta hurry up. I just want to show you guys step by step where we're at again. All right, cool. Next flip, whatever the fuck it is. Whoop.